working out at home is by far one of the most important things you can do to better your health. Now, don't get me wrong, I love going to the gym. I love all my gym friends throughout all the states that I go to, but being able to work out at home has absolutely changed the way I have thought about working out. Now, I do calisthenics, and all you need is literally a floor and a wall, and maybe some chairs if you want to do some dips, or something to do some pull-ups on. Other than that, all you need is the motivation to work out. Now, I work out every morning in my house, just wake up, bedside, work out. And that is it. That's how simple it is in the mornings. And then in the evenings, I do another workout, may even go to the gym and see some friends and talk to them. Sometimes I just go to the gym just to say hi to my friends. And I work out at home. At home is where I grind. I'm gonna show you guys my gym, my home gym. You don't need to go buy expensive equipment. Hell, you don't even need a pull-up bar. I'm going to show you guys just an example in my house to show you what you could do at yours as well. Welcome to my gym. It's literally just this little square of area, and that's where I work out. Luckily, I found this TRX band at Goodwill for $5, but these can run you from, I don't know, $25 to $60 on Amazon, or you could get some off-brand. But these I could do anything on this from my door, whether that be a focused curl, or whether that be some leg things. You name it, it all can be done from that. And as well, you have push-ups, you have dips if you have chairs, and if you have a little bit of money, you can buy a dip bar. And dip bars are great for various things from incline curls to dips. But let me show you what we got. As you guys see, there's really nothing special here. We have a floor, we have some dip bars, we have a band that we can use, various activities. We also have some little push-up equipment that we can use too. You could even do just bench dips from a bar or your bed. I do my bed for bench dips, but it's that easy, guys. And also, I was lucky enough to find the TRX workout, so that combines perfect with my TRX suspension system. So this all was super cheap. This is under a $200, even less budget, to have a complete gym set where you can get big and strong at your house for minimal cost. Take that per gym. Let's say you have the black card at Planet Fitness. That is 10 months of payback right there. So basically, for the cost of a year membership at any gym, you could buy all the equipment you need and it can last forever. You can pass it on, you could sell it on Facebook Marketplace when you're done with it in 30 years when you stop using it. But it just works, guys. And guys, this is absolutely the basics of fitness, where simple push-ups, simple pull-ups, simple dips, you name it, these are the fundamentals of fitness. And these will help you get into the gym, where eventually in the gym you can move into weighted calisthenics. And with weighted calisthenics, that's where the true skyrocket comes out, where you have weighted pull-ups, where you have weighted dips, where you had weighted push-ups. Everything gets increasingly harder as you add weights, and that's the awesome progression of calisthenics, is where you can start at absolutely zero and go to the absolute top of the fitness scale. From muscle ups to human flag, you are capable of it all. So all you have to do is truly just start on calisthenics, and absolutely go to the gym, meet some gym friends. They'll always motivate you. But if you're looking for an alternative, or just want to do something at your house and not talk to people in the public, do some calisthenics, do some push-ups, do some pull-ups, do some dips, do the basics, and I promise you will get just as fit at your house and for cheaper. Just like in the gym, people try to progress in weights, and calisthenics is slightly different, where you progress in skill level. So you may start with a normal push-up or push-up on your knees, then do a normal push-up, then do a wide push-up, then do a one-arm push-up, then do a clap push-up, you name it. The progression skills is there, and I've included a big, huge list of progression trees. So check it out and see how far you can get. See if you can become an elite calisthenic, strong, skillful person straight from your house. Pop out your house, no one will know where you were. You're all big and strong. You can do some crazy things like human flag, muscle ups, you name it. That will be all done at your house for free with minimal equipment. So check the link below. I've included the spreadsheet, and tell me how far you get in the comments, and I'd love to see and hear all your progress. You can find me on TikTok and Instagram at TheRealJackNerd, and I'd love to see you guys' progressions. So DM me just to show me what you got. And I'll always repost it, and I'm so excited to see you guys' progression. If you guys have any questions, please leave them down below, and I'll read them all and I'll respond to them, even make a video on them. So I'll see you guys in the next video.